Hello. Dang, I have 762 days. It's a lot. Okay, anyways, let's add some people to the love garden. So there we have this guy, fucking Gooner, fucking Gooner. Yeah, hold on. We got Sanoxium. Sanoxium doesn't matter. Oh, and that's rotated, but like who cares? And then Vamp Dash Ox GXV. So Rosebush, Peony. Still got a few more flowers to go. What am I doing, man? Alright. Almost forgot. Before we get to the main build, there's something else I wanted to show you. This will be important later in the series. It's a little birthday counter for like the series birthday. So we have the date. So we have the date built and written out down here. October 13th, 2024. And then we have a little counter as to how much time has passed. We got 1 year in this little corners for months, which we just have a number 8 there. Although since it's getting to the end of June, that 8 will soon change to a 9. Also, I can't wait for the counter to finally go from 1 to 2. I have a pretty interesting build plan for that. Anyways, in this area, I've of course added some more stuff. Right here to start, we got a little waterfall. Hold up. Perfect. All right. It's my under chest. There we go. It's better. There's like a lot of water in my world. So this area is very lush, very jungle-like. So we also have a very nice, very large river here, and of course, waterfalls. Oh. So right here is a little cobblestone bridge. There's also a bit of Yeah, with a bit of tuff and some cobbled deeps. And some cobbled deeps on the roof. It's pretty nice. We also got a ton of lush, beautiful scenery. It's very good, very nice. And here is a beautiful little Aztec temple thing. It's nice. I like it. It's pretty big. I have to extend the mountain area. Some of it even ended up going into there. Oh, we're okay. Ignore that little hole. That's not important right now. Actually done some pretty good progress on that special build. Anyways, now we just have 2 more little builds. But right here, you don't want that to happen. Anyways, right here is a Totem of Undying statue. The torso is made out of tuff. The stubby little legs and the arms are made out of deep slate tiles. And the head is made out of polished black stone. And the nose is made out of deep slate tiles too. And over here in this little stronghold area, it's like a little ruined stronghold. It's nice. I'm pretty sure this was the original idea for the stronghold, for it to be like exposed to the air. Anyways, I made it so that like this is actually like a different, like not the original end portal. It's like a little skulk dimension with the Ender Eyes instead being replaced with Hearted Sea. It's pretty nice. And there's also a ton of skulk everywhere, but like that's not important. I guess they can be waterlogged. I didn't know that. That hole's... Whoops. You don't need to see that right now. More will be revealed when the day comes. Which is episode 10, by the way. I have some very good planning. So far, I have episodes planned up to 15. Oh, not again. And I also have an episode planned for an unknown episode count, but I do have a specific set date. Wink, wink. Okay, so dang, 762. That's pretty good.